Hello friend, in this video, we will set up a WordPress site locally. First of all, we need to download the WordPress file from the wordpress.org website. Unzip the downloaded file. Copy the extracted folder and paste this WordPress folder inside the docs folder of Xampp control panel. Now you can run the Xampp control panel. Type localhost/WordPress where you can find some setup page for your WordPress website. Before continuing, we need a database to store data of the WordPress file. So let's create a database in Xampp admin panel. Enter your site name. I am creating a demo project, that's why I am using weak password, but please use strong password. Great, you have successfully set up the WordPress. This is my initial phase of website. Now you can customize the size according to your requirements.